1967 Lotus Super 7 Replica. Price, $14,000. Mileage, less than 1,000 miles. Location, Plymouth, Connecticut.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A beautifully presented 1967 Lotus Super 7 Replica, this lightweight sports car captures the raw, minimalist character that made the original Super 7 an icon among driving enthusiasts. Professionally built and essentially brand new, the car has covered fewer than 1,000 miles, giving its next owner the opportunity to enjoy a fresh, carefully assembled machine without the high mileage often associated with older custom builds. Its compact proportions, open-air design, and unmistakable classic sports car silhouette create an engaging presence that looks right at home on winding back roads, weekend cruises, and local car shows. Built with an emphasis on the pure driving experience rather than unnecessary complexity, this Super 7 Replica offers an exciting blend of vintage-inspired styling and modern custom craftsmanship. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $13,000. Location, Monroe, Washington. A classic 1923 Ford T-Bucket with a serious hot rod attitude, this lightweight open-top street machine combines traditional T-Bucket styling with dependable Ford the 5.8 power and a carefully upgraded drivetrain. Under the hood sits a built Ford 302 V8 paired with a built C4 automatic transmission, delivering a strong and exciting driving experience while keeping the setup straightforward for cruising. Power is sent through a Ford 8-inch rear end equipped with Currie axles and an open differential, giving the compact roadster a solid foundation for weekend adventures and local cruising. The exposed mechanical character, short wheelbase, and open cockpit give the T-Bucket the unmistakable personality that has made these hot rods favorites among American car enthusiasts for generations. Its compact body and aggressive stance make it especially eye-catching at cruise nights and car shows, while the Ford-powered combination adds plenty of muscle to the vintage-inspired package. 1965 Zinc Z5 Formula Vee race car. Price, $8,000. Location, Charlotte, North Carolina. A genuine piece of vintage open-wheel racing history, the 1965 Zinc Z5 Formula Vee is a track-ready competition car built for drivers who want the thrill of pure, lightweight motorsport. Most recently raced at Virginia International Raceway during the VDCA Wild Hare Weekend in March 2026, the car not only performed strongly but came away as the winner of the Wild Hare race, highlighting its impressive race-winning potential. The engine runs very well, with a leading Formula Vee driver at the event reportedly praising the quality of the motor. Its tires have only 2 race weekends of use, with tread photos available, while the fuel tank, driver restraints, and other required safety equipment are current. The VDCA logbook is also up to date, making the car an attractive choice for someone ready to continue its competitive track career. 1955 Lafayette Ferrari 1/4 Midget Race Car Replica. Price, $7,000. Location, Oakland, New Jersey.
This is a quick sneak peek of what I've been working on the last few months. This is basically right now a 1958 Ferrari 246 Dino Formula One car. It was a barn find, a 1955 miniature race car with torsion bar suspension, rack and pinion steering, disc brakes, the whole bit, but it had to be completely redone. So I said, hey, why not make a Ferrari out of it? It's the exhaust coming out the back there, lube is for heat. And I had to make it bigger because I couldn't fit it in the damn thing, so I had to move the pedals, put a much bigger engine in it, new tires, new race slicks in the back, instruments, steering was redone, new seat. It's basically brand new. And welcome to 1958.
A remarkable piece of miniature racing history, this 1955 Lafayette 1/4 Midget has been completely restored and transformed into a stunning tribute to the legendary Ferrari 246 Dino Formula One cars of 1958. Hand-built with extraordinary attention to detail by a retired engineer, the project represents several hundred hours of craftsmanship and delivers the visual drama of a classic Grand Prix racer in a compact, highly distinctive package. A brand new 5.5 horsepower engine provides the motivation, supported by a clutch, upgraded brakes, rack and pinion steering, torsion bar suspension, and fresh racing tires for an authentic little racer experience. 1995 Red Devil Formula Race Car. Price, $12,000 OBO. Location, Independence, Oregon. A serious lightweight competition machine with a proven racing pedigree, the 1995 Red Devil Formula car has been transformed into a purpose-built weapon for hill climbs, time attack, and potentially autocross or Formula Libre competition. In its current configuration, the car weighs approximately 850 pounds with the driver and is powered by a Rotax 670 engine with a custom manifold and expansion chamber, producing an estimated 140 horsepower. 1934 Jaguar SS100 Replica. Price, $10,000. Mileage, approximately 6,700 miles. Location, Loudon, New Hampshire. A beautifully styled 1934 Jaguar SS100 Replica, originally built in 1993, brings the unmistakable elegance of a pre-war British sports car together with practical modernized engineering. Constructed with a fiberglass body and custom frame, the replica captures the long hood proportions, open cockpit, and graceful lines that made the SS100 one of Jaguar's most celebrated early sports cars. Power comes from a 2.3-liter Ford four-cylinder engine with approximately 6,700 miles, offering a lighter and more straightforward mechanical package that suits the car's compact sports car character. The carefully shaped body gives it an authentic vintage appearance, while the custom chassis provides the foundation for enjoyable weekend cruising, local shows, and enthusiast gatherings. 2014 Undercover Dragster. Price, $46,000. Location, Townsend, Delaware. A highly desirable 2014 undercover dragster, recognized as one of the final cars built by renowned chassis builder Kurt, represents a serious piece of modern drag racing engineering. Designed around a suspended dual-shock configuration, the chassis offers the kind of specialized setup and purposeful construction demanded by serious competition machines. Its sleek, low-slung profile immediately communicates speed, while the carefully engineered suspension platform provides a strong foundation for precise launches and competitive track performance. 1950s Garton Kidillac Pedal Car. Price, $975. Location, Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. A charming piece of American automotive nostalgia, this beautifully styled 1950s Garton Kidillac pedal car captures the bold design language and playful spirit of classic mid-century automobiles in a wonderfully collectible package. Featuring an older restoration with a deep gloss midnight blue finish, silver grille, and matching bumper accents, the little cruiser has an unmistakable vintage presence that looks fantastic whether displayed in a garage, showroom, dealership, or private automotive collection. The solid steering wheel and classic body styling add authentic period character, while the rare Garton Kidillac name makes it an especially interesting find for pedal car collectors and enthusiasts of vintage Americana. The finish presents beautifully from a distance, although the photos reveal some bumps and minor cosmetic imperfections that could be touched up with silver paint. 2021 BMS Sniper T1500. Price, $9,500. Location, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. A striking 2021 BMS Sniper T1500 two-seater, this compact performance machine delivers an exciting combination of lightweight design, open-air driving, and motorcycle-inspired performance. Powered by a 1,500 cubic centimeters engine and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, the Sniper offers an engaging driving experience for enthusiasts who enjoy having more control behind the wheel. Rear-wheel drive adds to its sporty character, allowing the powertrain to deliver a more traditional performance-oriented feel while cruising around town or enjoying winding roads. The two-seat configuration keeps the experience personal and adventurous, while the unusual design ensures plenty of attention wherever it goes. With its distinctive appearance, manual gearbox, substantial engine capacity, and modern 2021 model year appeal, the BMS Sniper T1500 stands apart from ordinary cars and recreational vehicles. 2003 Miller Swing-Arm Dragster with rear Morrison 540. Price, $28,000. Location, Pataskala, Ohio. A serious piece of drag racing hardware, the 2003 Miller swing-arm dragster combines a professionally updated chassis with proven high-performance components and a powerful rear Morrison 540 engine. Built as a 235T/K car and updated in 2017, the dragster features a 23.5-inch cage, solid red paint with a partial wrap, and a competition-focused setup designed for serious straight-line performance. Power comes from a rear Morrison 540 that has completed approximately 168 mile passes, offering an impressive combination of experience and performance potential.